Alright, so let me give you the overview of what a data frame is. Data frame is a main object in pandas, We know what an object is, right? Object contains everything, right? So I can say O is equal to 1, 2, 3, so it will contain all the data, right? So it is the one-step destination for your data to do analytics from. Alright, is a main object in pandas. It is used to represent data with rows and columns, right? Tabular in a form of table or Excel. And that's the best thing about pandas. You can go to office tomorrow if you're appointed as a data scientist. You can go to your boss and tell me, I will do data analysis of your data. Give me an Excel file. So he'll give you the Excel file and you'll come up with a data-driven decision which is going to be beneficial for you and for his company, right? So that's why you can use spreadsheets, CSV format, comma separated values, TSV which is tab separated values, okay? My dogs are having cardiac arrest this time, so please ignore them. Excel spreadsheets, okay, and TSV like data. And the topics that we are going to cover is creating data frames, which we already know today. Number 2, dealing with rows, columns. Number 3, operations, min, max, std, describe, coming up in the concurrent classes, conditional, selection. Number 5, set indexes. Alright, so these are the things we will be doing in the near future. Alright, so let's start with another thing. Now, what are the data sets or what are the data stores that we can do data analytics from? Any data store, be it a tuple, be it a dictionary, list, collection, any data set that we can do. Let's create a data set and a data frame out of a dictionary. Can we do? Yes. Let's say weather. Let's say weather underscore data is equivalent to dictionary. Dictionary is what we create within these quotes, within the curly braces, sorry, and I will say day, and let us say we know the dictionary can contain a list, it can contain a tuple, right? So okay, let me do this. 1/1/2019, right? And second is let's say about 1/2/2019, stray dogs at its best. All right, so 1/2/2019, 1/3/2019. We are in 2020, I know. 1/4/2019. Let's say 1/5/2019, and the last one 1/6/2019. So this is how we use. Okay, and let's say comma, second value in a dictionary is going to be temperature. So the temperature is going to be let's say about 32 degrees, 33 degrees, 36 degrees, 40 degrees, 21 degrees, 28. How many dates we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, done with temperature. And let's say wind speed. Our wind speed is again going to be 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so let's make a data set out of it. And what is the event? Alright, so let me keep the event is as simple as anything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 events. Rain. Okay, it's going to be dry, sunny, and let me have 26, 10, 1, 0. And let me keep 1, 2, 3 is as cloudy, and it's rain, snow, and rain. Alright, so I created a data set. Right, so this is first I have declared a dictionary, right, and successful. There's no error, thank God we don't have any error here. And let me go to the next frame. So I will say df yani ki data frame is equivalent to, now we have to create data frame out of this weather frame. I'll say pandas pd dot create or pd dot it's data, D is capital and F is capital, right? Create a data frame of weather data. So I'll just hit enter. Hip hip hooray, we created. So let me print it out. So I'll say df. Alright, now you can see I've created a data frame out of dictionary. You can see that here the temperature was 32 and the wind speed was 6. It rained and sunny, cloudy, and I don't know. Yeah, temperature is 1 degree, wind speed is 2, and it's snowing. Again, we're having an error right here, so we'll have to correct this error right here. We have not taken date as string here. Do it again, print out the data frame, and here we go. Right, so everything is in front of you, right? And if you want to print rows and columns, how many rows the data frame has, right? So I can say, let's see what we can do right here is rows columns is equivalent to df dot shape. Right, so I have done df dot shape and I'll go ahead and print columns. So I have 4 columns. Is that true? Is that true? Let us print out the data frame and see how many columns we have. Right, 1, 2, 3, and 4 columns. Absolutely fine. And if I print out rows, 6 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now what df.shape does is takes the shape which is rows and columns and stores the shape 0, which is a row. This is shape 0, row, and shape 1, columns, right? And you can then extract rows and columns like this. Okay, so it is done. So df.head, you already know df.head is going to print first 4 values starting from 0 to 4. That is also right possible, right? And now if I have df.head, I have df.tail as well. Head and tail. What is tail going to print? The last 4 rows, last 5 rows. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Since we have only 5, so it's going to print only 5. We have 6, it has not printed the 0th. You can see 1/1/2019 is skipped because you're printing the tail from the bottom, head from the top. Okay, carry on. We have df.tail. You can even pass parameters right here. df.tail1, right? So you're getting the last one, right? So this is also possible, right? And you can see those who know Python, and I suppose everyone knows Python before starting this, so I'll say print 2 to 5. So you're printing 2 to 5 right here. Great. So let's go ahead and do some more things. Print all. Just say df or say print df, so it's going to print all, right? So print is not going to print in a data frame. In a table is going to print separately, but df is going to exactly print the entire data frame that we already know. And even after, I can say df dot columns. So that is why you're getting the name of columns. Day is a column temperature, wind speed, event, and the data type is an object, and object is as that of type data frame. Alright, so we can print df dot day. Right, what is in the day? These are the things in the day. So we can print df dot temperature. What is the temperature in the data frame, and vice versa. We can print lot many things, right? And you can print df dot event. Right, so this is df dot event, or you can print, because it's a multi-dimensional array, you can print df event. You can see you're getting the same. df dot event is giving you the same result, and df event is giving you the same result. And let's see what is, if you want to get the type of df, which is data frame event. Right, so it is panda core series. You can see that you're printing two. The type of data frame, what type of data frame it is, and if you want to print df, because it's a multi-dimensional, you can print two things as well. I want to print event, and I want to print day wise events. मुझे दिखाओ. I want to get day wise event, so I did not, okay, comma. Okay, I want to get day-wise events. Rained on this day, sunny on this day. You can do anything you want. We're just getting started. It is going to be a real fun doing data sciences with me, right? And many different things that we can do. Okay, the second thing is df.describe. I can describe the data frame. You can see that the count of temperature, the wind speed, mean of it, standard, minimum, 25%, 50%, 75%, that we'll see inshallah in the concurrent classes. I'll explain everything, right? Minimum temperature. So I will say data frame dot, we can say df, and let's copy the temperature. Give me the minimum temperature. So I'll get the minimum temperature. I don't know, 0 degree. Yeah, it snowed on that day, I still remember. Okay, so I can give me the maximum temperature, 33. Right, it can be analysis of 10 years, it can be analysis of 20 years. Do not take small data structure here, right? So we can have 20-year data, 30-year data in a company that we have to do analysis of. All right, and I don't want to put too much load on you. If you can do this and install everything and get started, it's going to be a nice kickstart before we start more entertaining and enjoying things. And because it requires that passion, create that passion, work with enthusiasm, wait for the next class, and keep your equipment ready. Bye-bye. Take care.